Kilo 4 Lima Japan Echo.
Kilo 4 Lima Japan Echo, go.
Yeah, KC9VKV, excuse me. K4LJE, the handle is Jim. I'm in a little town called Eden, North Carolina. Good afternoon, sir. Hope you're doing okay.
Oh, doing beautiful, sir. You got a great signal there. I'm saying that's about 15 over, Roger.
Okay, there goes my darn phone. It'll quit in a second, but yeah, appreciate that. You're about the same signal strength yourself, and I was talking to you Mobile, I don't know, about a month ago maybe, and anyway, we had quite a nice QSO together, but I had some Mobile problems which I've yet to fix. But we're here on the Yaesu Ft920, and we're running about 1100 watts out with the Clippers and nail Dentron and a vertical, a quarter-wave vertical. Over.
Roger, well, you got great EQ. You really got a nice handle on your EQ, and your signal strength is just beautiful. What kind of antenna was that?
It's the vertical. It's the quarter-wave vertical from DX Engineering. Over.
Roger, Roger. Well, gosh, that's great. Usually, most stuff coming in is on the horizontal side, and it's a pleasure to be able to look at a vertical, Roger.
Seems like the polarization is different here. I don't know if it's the land. Better weather down here, and the sun is out finally. Over.
Roger, Roger. Now, I had a fade out on you. Believe it or not, we're located next to Louisville, Kentucky, just across the Ohio River from Louisville in Indiana. And you went from a 15 over to a fade out. And I had to go to the Milford PA SDR to pull you out, Roger.
Roger. Yeah, didn't anything happen here locally? Nothing happened here. We're still getting the same output, and the SWR didn't go up. So, oh gosh, man, yeah, you're about gone yourself, or you're way down.
Roger, that's Mother Nature for you. That's why I love the SDRs, because they're there, and if I get a better signal, there's nothing greater than 4 options than none. Roger.
And Roger. I'll go ahead and sign there, Jim. By the way, the handle here is Jim as well, if you can still hear me. So anyway, 73, and we'll catch you again. And I know it's about time for you to wrap it up here. KC9VKV, K4LJE. We'll try it again later on.
Roger, Roger, Jim. I've got a good copy on you on the Milford PA, but we'll say 3s for now, sir. And you have a good afternoon and a good weekend. And that radio sound and choice, you got everything dialed up just perfect on that radio. You got my seal of approval. If you get a chance, check back in next Friday afternoon. Love to hear from you. 3s for now. This is a KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network. And gosh, we are turning rapidly into a pumpkin. But let's go for one more. If there's somebody else out there that wants an air check, come forth.